Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video we're gonna talk about how to check if iPhone parts are changed or repaired. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go to the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down and navigate to the general, and from here we have to go to about. And over here, as you can see, there is an option called parts and service history. You have to click on this. Now over here, as you can see, I'm having a service history, but in this particular device 14 Pro Max, I haven't changed any of the parts, right? So I'm having only the service history here. So if you wanted to get a complete idea, you can just click on this link from learn more. So that is going to take you to the official page of the Apple. So here Apple describe everything regarding the parts and service history. For example, if you change your display or something, you'll be getting a separate kind of things like this, where it says the display has been changed and it is a genuine part from the Apple. You can either replace the display or battery, whatever it is. Either you can get it from the Apple or you can get it from the third party. So here it says both the display and logic board assembly both did change it, but it was from the genuine, which means it is from the Apple store, not from anywhere else. And also you'll be getting a complete instruction on this, and if you scroll it down, it will be giving you a kind of an idea find about the genuine Apple parts and how we can get it. So just make sure one thing, that if you go back, you can see that it will be showing you a complete details over here regarding whether you changed any kind of parts, but I'm having only one because I haven't changed any parts. I'm only having a service request, that is for a battery, and I'm having a huge drop in the battery, and this is how we can find it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.